This video shows you how to set up a Makecode account and connect and download code to a microbit. It is intended for teachers, and some additional supplementation might be needed with students based on the accounts and devices you will have them use. At times in this unit, you or your students will need to have a Makecode account so you can save changes to pre-existing code or even make new code. To create your account, click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. If your school email is managed through Microsoft or Google/Gmail, you can sign in with those accounts. If you or your students do not have these accounts, Clever may be an option. As you click through, you may be asked to give basic information about your account. Agree to these steps. Once you are logged into Makecode, you can access a number of tutorials and pieces of sample code. If you wanted to create your own code from scratch, you could also do so by clicking on New Project. However, for this lesson, you will be using existing code. To access this code, click on the link provided in the teacher guide. For this example, we will use the temperature code. When you click this link, you will see a window that looks like this, where you cannot edit anything. To edit or download the code, click Edit. This will create a file in your Makecode account that you can edit and use. To download the code to a microbit, connect the microbit to your device using a USB cable. You may need to use an adapter if your device has the small USB-C ports instead of the traditional full-sized USB ports. Typically, this connection works better if the battery pack is not directly attached to the microbit. Once you've connected the microbit to the device and open Makecode, Makecode functions the most seamlessly with the microbit if you connect the microbit to Makecode through the browser. To do this, click the three dots next to Download, select Connect Device, and click through the steps. Then, if you click Download, it automatically downloads directly to the microbit. This feature does not work through Firefox or some other browsers. Sometimes, Makecode cannot directly find the microbit, even though it is connected to the device. Code can still be downloaded directly to the microbit by clicking Download and then selecting the microbit like you would any other file. To disconnect your microbit, you first need to click on the three dots and then select the Disconnect option in the browser window. Then you can follow your laptop or other device's normal procedures to safely eject or disconnect something from the USB ports.